Hey folks, today is April the 28th. It's currently 12:30 in the afternoon. Wanted to go ahead and do an intro video for the Promax Gold EA with Smart News Filter. This is the next product I'm going to look at testing for you guys here. And as you can see, the price is only $188. And if we come down here, actually I'll show you guys the MyFX book in a minute, but one of the big reasons I wanted to test this one is because I've had quite a few you come to me and ask if there's anything on the cheaper side, because I know a lot of the EAs I test are typically between $300 and $500. So I definitely wanted to find something under 200 for those of you that are interested in that. And as you can see here, expected monthly gain is between 20% and 48%. So that's definitely something worth looking into here. And we can see the features of the EA. Number one is that it only trades gold, and I'll show you guys my setup here momentarily. I was just able to get it set up today, and we can see here it can analyze technical and fundamental news, 20 to 48% monthly profit, and I'll show you guys a MyFX book momentarily so you can see that. Automatic money management and lot selection, obviously only trades the gold pair. Best setting is given as default, so basically that means you don't have to go in and change anything in the input section. Full setup guide, also a video, which is what I use to get everything set up. Comes with one demo and one live account. Open and close trade in profit automatically. One-time payment, free updates. All right, so this is not a monthly fee here. It's a one-time payment. It's definitely a good thing. And let's scroll down here. Requirements for the EA. Pretty sure they recommend at least $1,000. You can see that right here. ECN or standard account. And where is it at? 5-minute chart. Is there a guarantee? All right, so they do give a guarantee here, and it's basically you set it up on a demo account and you let it trade for 14 days. And if it does not profit in those 14 days, just email them and they will give you a 100% refund. All right, obviously they have important notes here. And this is pretty typical across any expert advisor. You know, don't trade manually. Do not set up any other indicators or any other robots on the account. Do not run the EA on accounts under $1,000. Don't use mini or cent accounts with this EA. Make sure the auto trading option is on with MT4. And as always, it has to be left on for 24 hours a day. You know, so basically that's why a lot of people recommend using a VPS, as you guys can see here. And then of course they have the VPS that they recommend as well. But let's go ahead and scroll up here just so we can take a quick peek at their MyFX book. And another big thing, it was something about an 80% win rate. They tried to keep the win rate above 80% or around or above 80%. I'm not sure. Here it is. It is designed and programmed to trade only for above 88% accuracy. If the trade gets into drawdown, it will use a smart grid to close them and break even without losses or without a loss. All right, let's go ahead and jump over here and see what their win rate is at present. As you can see, it is at 80% right now, which is obviously very good. Equity curve looks good as well. Not too much heavy drawdown. Very nice equity curve actually here. And you can see this was with a $1,000 deposit. Real account, 1 to 500 leverage. And if we scroll down here, we can see March, they did 17.51%. And in April, all right, we got 2 more days in April. And it looks like they're closing in on 20%. And so far for this week, it's only Wednesday, they're at 0.52%. So definitely doing extremely well. And what was 20 to 48% gain is expected. Even so, definitely no complaints with 17.5% and 19.63%. Definitely happy to see that. All right, let's jump over here real quick and see what the vendor had to say here.
Some more tips about this EA. This is not like other EA that will trade every day. It is not necessary to trade every day. It's very smart. EA, and it will only trade when there is an opportunity. So if you see like few hours no trade or few days no trade is normal. Don't panic, don't be in rush, let the EA work, and make sure that you don't have any other EA robots or indicator, or do not trade manually on the account that the EA is running, because it will mess up the strategy and money management. Basically we make it like fully automatic, so just follow the things and the step that I just show you, and after that you don't need to do anything else. Try and make sure that your MT4 is on VPS, or your computer is online 24 hours. Don't close your MT4. And if you have any question or anything, you just can ask from our email.
All right, and they do have really good support. You know, I've been chatting with the vendor here for the past few days, and he's been very helpful as far as getting everything set up. So if you guys have any questions, I know that he's going to be there to assist you. So they definitely have good support. All right, with all that being said, for the past 2 months, as we can see, 40.58%, drawdown of 28.14%. Let's go ahead and jump into my setup here. All right, so as you guys can see, Promax EA, and as he just mentioned, it's not going to open up trades, I'm guessing, as often as some of the EAs that I've tested. So if we go a day or two and we don't see any new trades open, that is nothing that I'm going to be concerned about. And like I said, I just got this started today. This is a fresh $1,000 sim account, and I am going to be starting out with sim as usual. We'll let it go through maybe a 30 or 60 day test. Then if everything goes well, maybe jump into it with a live account. And as you can see here, we are on XAUUSD, $1,000 leverage 1 to 400. So yeah, we are set up exactly how we should be. No trades have been taken at this point. So we'll continue to watch it. I might, if we don't get any trades this week, I might wait until next week to do the first weekly update review. Let me see here. News running, Forex, Promax EA news version, and news running. All right, so I'm guessing that it has some ability to manage the news as it comes out and use that to its benefit when taking trades here. So that's definitely a good thing as well. All right, anyway, like I said, I just wanted to give you guys a quick introduction to the Promax EA. And if you guys have checked the site, you can see that it has not been added to the site yet, but I will go ahead, like I said, and get that added this week, hopefully by Friday. I'm going to try to get this video out to you guys today. And so, yeah, hopefully this will be a robot that we can add kind of to the basket of EAs that we have if it comes out profitable. Just based on what I've seen here, 2 months of testing definitely looks good so far. And we'll continue watching it. Another EA, let me see here. All right, just check the summary here. So 727 pips. And interestingly enough, it looks like it's only taken long trades at this point. All right, losing trades were 26%, winning trades 74%. All right, so stats look pretty good. Very interesting. All right, if you guys have any questions whatsoever on the Promax Gold EA, make sure you send them my way and I'll try to get those answered for you. And if you want to test it out for yourself, I'll make sure I put a link below so you guys can click on it, and it'll bring you to this page right here. And you'll just click on gold trading, and that'll take you to the gold trading Promax Gold EA page here. All right, I'll see you guys on the first weekly update review once it comes out. Take care, folks.